Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an outlet 2002 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide Switchblade Edition. This special edition cruiser has just under 25,000 miles on it, and we'll be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We will not be firing it up for you today because they just did extensive carb work on this bike and the bowls have been drained and left open. But we'll take our walk and show it to you. Tires on this bike are in good shape, plenty of miles left on them. Comes with the headlight cowl, braided lines, matching pegs, pedals, and grips, mirrors. Oops, let's do it this way. There we go. Screaming Eagle pipes, ostrich skin seats for both the driver and the passenger, as well as a passenger backrest. Same with the rear tire. Looks like it's good shape. Looks like there's plenty of miles left on that. And this bike has got a ton of chrome on it, as you can see. Been very well maintained. No tip over damage, haven't found anything like that. A few scuffs on it here and there from being ridden. And again, the matching pegs, pedals, and grips, as well as our mirrors. Show you the miles though. 24,261 is what's on it. This 2002 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide Switchblade is a pre-owned motorcycle. Is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.